Hi everyone, my name is Amarjeet Gupta and today I'm here to make my video. So let's start by sharing a screen and let's start with today's topic is based on gift and noise. So do, do you mind noises? Yeah, I minded noises because some that's why I like to study in night time. What type of noise do you come across in your life, in your daily life? So the type of noises, childrens or playing, they are making noise, they are speaking very loudly, and the noise of vehicles on the road. So that type of noise I don't like. Are there any sounds that you like? Yeah, I like bird sounds and silence music. Silence, not, music that without too much sound. I mean, we can say a deep sound and any religious song type sound I like. Where can you hear loud noises? Yeah, I am hearing loud noises on my streets because whenever two-wheelers pass, they blow a horn, and on the buses shout on the road. So I don't like this kind of sound. Do you think there is too much noise in modern city? Yeah, in modern city there is too noise and too much crowd, traffic, and the two-wheelers, four-wheelers, they are continuously blowing their horn. That is not good for me. That is, I'm feeling very bad. Our city is becoming noisier. Yeah, day by day it is becoming noisier. But if you go on road in the morning time, it gives a good feeling and good pleasure. So when do you send gifts? When do you send gifts? So I like to send gifts in the birthday and in birthday or in happy moment when I feel happy, then I sends gift. When was the last time you received a gift? On my birthday, I received a beautiful rounding chair, and I feel so much happiness. So, have you received a gift you didn't like? Yeah, whenever I demand for something and other person they are offering another thing, at that time I don't like. So if whatever you are offering, its cost is high, it doesn't matter. If I am asking another gift, that cost is low. So I like to take this low cost gift, not high costly gift. So at that time I don't like, or at that time I was not happy. How do you feel when you receive a gift? So it gives an immense feeling, immense pleasure, and we just give gratitude to those person who sends this gift. Do people in your country send gifts to show their generosity? Yeah, but not too much. They are, yeah, they are trying to impress whatever things it take to make a happy. So peoples are really loving their sending gifts to make someone's happy. So yeah, that is for today's video, and thank you so much. I will meet in another video tomorrow. Thank you.